Hello everyone, I'm Iftikhar Chaudhary. In this video, I'll show you how to install Google Analytics 4 on your website using the new Google tag in Google Tag Manager. So let's get started. Here's the one thing, this video is completely beginner friendly, so I will explain everything step by step. If you're already familiar with some parts, you can use the timestamps in the description to jump to any section you want. So now let's get started. First, you have to go to the Google Tag Manager. So type the tagmanager.google.com, like the tagmanager.google.com, and it brings to this page. If you're sign in a Google account, so you can see this page, but it's not, you're still not signing the Google account, so you have to first a Google account, then you see this page. So first we have to create a account first, so click on create account, and here first you have to give a name for your account. In my case, I keep it the name tutorial by Iftikhar, and country, okay, let's keep it the United States. And okay, so here is the container name. Simple. I normally prefer it put it the with what first we put it the container. What is the platform? It's the web, so web container. So I first put the web, then my website name, for example, tutorials.iftikharchaudhary.com. This is my website name, and in this video I'll show you in the website and a web browser, so I keep it in a web and click on create. And here is the terms and condition, and so check this box and click on yes. Okay. So now you can see this page, and here is the code that I have to put in the our website to connect our Google Tag Manager with our website. So this is the bridge. So if your WordPress or Shopify, there have some plugins and apps to connect with that. But if your custom code website that either have a head section, you need to have the developer, or there have a head section or marketing section, there have this for this. So I prefer, if it's a custom code website, to give the help to take the help of developer. Okay, so in this case, in my case, I am using WordPress, so I install this code by a plugin. So we go to the website, and plugin section, and add a plugin and search GTM. Okay, here is the best plugin, and I mostly use this plugin for install Google Tag Manager. There have some data layer configuration and any other. It's best for also e-commerce and other data layer customization. So install this plugin, and if you use the step server-side tracking, you can also install this as you wish. So I go with that and active first. And here you can find this here in the setting option, or you can say setting and Google Tag Manager. And okay, so I have to copy the Google Tag Manager GTM dot this code, or You can find this, copy this code in here, from here, Control C, and put it here. First remove any extra space. Okay, so click on save changes. But here is one thing, you have to click another thing on, put it on, and then again save changes, otherwise it's not work. You can see that when you click, so it's back to the off, so on and save changes. So I think it's connected, so we have to test first it is connected or not with our website. So just you can preview, and type our website name. Okay, so just copy our website name and put it here. Okay, bring it here, and it says the connected. So okay, that means our website get linked with the Google Tag Manager. Okay, there's no tag, no variables, no other, so we just confirm that our Google Tag Manager is connected with our website. So now next thing is to open Analytics, Google Analytics 4 account. So what I have to do is to close the other section, so we don't need it again for right now. So okay, we fit everything. So now we have to go our analytics.google.com account. You type the analytics.google.com, and it also brings in this page. If you have already a Google Analytics account, then I will show you how to connect this in later on. First we are opening a new Google Analytics 4 account. So click on start measuring. Here is the 5 steps to we have to go. So here's the first account name. You can put your business name or your name, any other. So in my cases it takes tutorials. Tutorials by Thicker. So everything, keep it the same, and click on next and property name. Okay, so again I put my website name, state currency is dollar. Okay, keep it everything, your time zone and your everything correct, and your currency, make sure everything is correct, and then click on next. And here's the business, choose the best category. Because for example, if we see for my cases, okay, internet and telecom, I just put in, and the small size I wanted to 10 employees, and click on next. And here there's more other business objectives, you can change this later on. So in this case I go with this last option, other business objectives. Okay, just click on create, and here's the check the, and click on accept. Okay, so our property has been created. Now we have to create our data. So when you click on web and put here our website name, okay, and stream name. So stream name, it's I put it like the baseline report. You can name it as you wish, anything. So use https and when says https and tutorials.com. okay, so start collecting data. So click on this here, or it's automatically open this, and I want to install WordPress manually. but it's not. Here is the code, but I need the we need this measurement ID. Okay, we need this measurement ID. For I think I just copied it here. So if you already have this account, Google Analytics account, so I'll show you how to find this measurement ID from your Google Analytics account. So for this, let's click on next and continue to home. Okay, think you have already a account. So if you want to find this measurement ID in here, this is showing this measurement ID, but in your cases you cannot you might not be see in here. So you find it, go to the if you want to find it, so go to the admin section and go to the data collection and modification and click on data stream, and here is the your baseline report, and click on here and you can find here your measurement area. Okay, so you have to copy first and then go to the Google tag manager and click on tag. Okay, so we have to create tag first, so click on new, and here first to name it Google tag, sorry, GA4 tag in GA4 tag installation. Okay, so tag configure. Here you can find Google Analytics. First we have to fire Google tag, so here's the Google tag and tag ID. So we can paste our measurement ID here, but it is not best practices. So we have the best practices is as this measurement ID we have to reuse most of the time in later, so we have to create a variable first. So we click on plus icon here and choose a variable. There's not, so and then here we click on plus icon and here is a variable, create a new variable. It's a GA4 measurement ID, right, like this, and variable configuration. Okay, okay, just click on this here and see there's the constant, and the constant here is the value. Remove any extra space. Okay, then click on save, and you can find it here. Now there is our variables comes from. So for the save uses, you just remove it and then again click on plus icon and you can find it here, our GA4 measurement ID. Okay, so click on here and here's the, and you can see in this and triggering option, you automatically save the initialization of all pages. So remove them first, and you can see here our trigger option. That's the all pages constant initialization all pages. So for the Google tag, Google recommend put it the initialization all pages because it's needs to fire very beginning or install any other codes, any other tags. So put it in the initialization of all pages and then click on save. So our tag has been created, so it is not still published. So first we have to check this our tag is work correctly or not. So click on preview button in here and then we need to click on connect. Okay, your all page is loaded, so continue. Okay, here our tag has been fired. You can see it here. I think in the initialization phase, yes, still not fire. When the initialization phase, this is the fire. Okay, so see now if I go our home option, I can see one user. That means our data has been sent to our analytics, and you can check things here for our debug option. From here, data display, and click on the debug view, and you can see here one visit, first visit, and session. If you click any of the button, the scrolling and thing isn't triggered in here. So our tag is worked correctly, so now we can publish it. Okay, so now I have to publish this our tag. If we are not submit or publish it, our tag will not works in the live website. So you have to publish and keep it in names, version name, for example Google and Analytics for install, okay, and publish. Okay, so our one tag has been fired and 6 variables. So thank you for this this very tutorials still for that. So thank you for seeing this video. I'll see you in next video, and next video I'll show you how to track the custom events with Google Analytics custom event. Thank you.